World, it seems weddings are getting bigger and bolder and sometimes wackier. Well, now the trend has arrived in Singapore. Jenny Tay and Darren Cheng's wedding photos have gone viral, and that might be because they're both undertakers, which makes for some very unusual photos of the bride and groom. Well, with me now is the bride, Jenny Tay, who's also the Managing Director of Direct Funeral Services. So obviously your job, Jenny, has quite a bit to do with this. I mean, what possessed you to want to take these photographs? Because obviously there's two of you and a coffin.
Actually, for us, there's two reasons. Mainly, first thing is when wedding couples, they think of like what kind of photos to take in their pre-wedding shoot. They always take pictures with things that are meaningful to them, with at places that are memorable to them. So for us, because the funeral business is our life, and it's something that we are very passionate about. So we thought that, yeah, it's pretty apt for us to incorporate a coffin into the shoot.
All right.
And second
in fact,
reason,
one of them, you're actually in the coffin, aren't you? Was that hard to get into?
It's pretty comfortable.
Right.
It's all right, but the most important reason we feel is mainly due to our personal belief, because we think that through this trade we have learned to cherish our life, our families much more, and that we've seen how death actually mend relationship, how they actually build and strengthen relationship between family members.
It's interesting though, because here in Asia, death is taboo. It's considered very unlucky, particularly a lot of Chinese superstitions around death, wearing white and black, for instance, at auspicious occasions like Chinese New Year. So did you encounter much problems doing this?
Well, initially, the people, when we approached them with the topic, they were thinking, "Are you sure? Are you thinking it through?" But after we explained the reason behind, why we do this shoot, they actually felt that it was very meaningful, because we thought that death is actually, we shouldn't live life fearing death, because it's part and parcel of life. In fact, we should fear living life without having really truly lived.
Okay. Well, let's take a look at the social media reaction, because it has obviously caused quite a stir on social media. Apparently it's been liked close to 10,000 times, shared more than 3,000 times. So did you expect the reaction you got?
We were indeed really very surprised and very appreciative, especially with the support from the public. Though there was some negativity, but generally the people would defend us, because they were very appreciative of the meaning behind these photos.
All right, fantastic. Well, Jenny Tay, we love looking at those photos. They were absolutely fantastic, and congratulations again on your wedding.
Britain's Prince William has begun work as an air ambulance pilot. He's now based at Cambridge Airport.